Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, today we're going to do the first start on the Char-Griller Auto Kamado. One of the things that you need to do before you start cooking on it is you need to season the cast iron griddle. And it's good to just, start it, heat it up, let it burn off if there's any film on the inside, remove all the stickers, just follow the instructions there. Then what you want to do with the grills before you put any oil on them is you're going to want to wash them and make sure they're dry. That way if they had any coating on them during shipping, then all of that's been taken off too. Then, you can use several different oils. You can use a corn oil. I'm using canola oil. You could use a light olive oil. The manual recommends flaxseed oil. However, flaxseed oil is fairly expensive and I wasn't able to find any, so I'm going to use canola oil because that's what's readily available in most stores, and that's probably what you'll find too. And so it will work just fine. What we're going to do is I'm going to put 2 to 3 pounds of the lump coal, and I'm starting off with Char-Griller's lump coal because they sent me a 10-pound bag when I purchased the grill. I'm going to put 2 or 3 pounds of that down in the bottom. We're going to get that lit, give it a few minutes so that it heats up and gets going. I'll get everything plugged in, get the fan ready, and then we'll go from there, and I'll show you what the next steps are. Okay, you can light your coals with some fire starters. If that's what you deem necessary. Don't use any charcoal lighter fluid at all. That's not necessary. You can use, usually they use the little fire starters, and you can put those in with the coal. You can also get one of these, and I got, it's a loaf lighter, and you just plug it in, and it blows up to 1200 degree hot air, and I'll just show you. And you can see how just holding it down there, it starts to heat up some of the coal. So you're just gonna move it around, get you 2 or 3 pieces started, and then let it continue on its own. It should start the rest of it. Okay, so you want to make sure that you oil both sides of the grill, okay? So just make sure you're doing both sides. I've already done the back side here. And then just take your brush, get a good coat of oil on it, and then just go through and oil all of it really well. And then we're going to let it heat up the rest of the way. Set the temp at about 350, and we're going to let it heat up. And for about 20 or so minutes. Then we'll take the griddle off, let it cool for a minute, re-oil everything, and go for another 20. Okay, so the charcoal has started. We've oiled the grates. I just closed the lid. You want to make sure you have the top vent open all the way. Turn on your controller here. Hit the little, looks like a thermostat, and it tells you the current temperature is 292. You just use the dial and turn it up. Excuse me, let me hit it again. And turn it to 350. And then hit the big button one time. That holds it there. And you'll see it's saying to put it on 2. So let's put this right here. See, this is numbered on the top vent. It said put it on number 2, so that's where I put it. Now, that vent setting flashes for just 5 seconds, so you have to really be paying attention so you know where to set that. Okay, the 20 minutes up for the first round. I'm going to shut the fan down. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. One of the things they tell you to, when you're opening this grill, don't just swing open the door because you got a lot of heat that comes out. So just open it a crack and kind of hold it and let it open itself up. That way you don't get any hot steam that burns. If you do have some gloves or something you can wear, that's probably a good thing too. So at this point, we're going to take the grill off. We're going to let it cool down for a few minutes. We're going to oil both sides of it again, put it back in, and do another 20 minutes at 350. Okay, so this is it. I want to show you what the grate looks like after it's been seasoned. Again, make sure when you're opening these after they've been going that you just slightly open them to let some of the heat out so that it doesn't burn your arm or hand when you open the lid. And you open it up and you see the nice golden finish on the grate. That's how you know that it has been seasoned. And of course, you're going to want to keep the griddle seasoned, so every time you get through cooking, clean it and re-oil and season it a little bit. That way it'll keep it from rusting and make it last you for years. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And if you feel like it, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Till next time, stay safe.